How do we want to do the intro? We good? Today, I'm going to show you how to smash a pumpkin. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. Today, we're going to smash a pumpkin. Record the video. Maybe. Now I just need to flatten it because when I put this in the press to squish it, the top and the bottom isn't level. It'll squish indifferent. Squish. I want to squish. Got to make sure this is square. I can't find my guard. My gourd! If only they made like some sort of protective thing that you can put over your hands to keep the heat away. You can edit that one out. Stemmy. You know any songs? I should make an apple lantern, unironically, in a separate post later. Turnips suck. That one day John was here, I put him in that breakfast hash. I was trying to, yeah. But I'm not going to hit my hand on that hot cut because it shouldn't be in there right now. That's how you lose a finger. Get a mark on it. There we go. Absolute crap. That's horrible, right? Do that and it's like, oh, that's a pumpkin. make a tool for collecting all of these. This looks like fall, doesn't it? I'm a gourd, a permpkun.